Welcome. We're going to delve into the wilderness wisdom of Swedish legend Lars Fält here and take a look at his classic book series in a series of short videos. From planning and executing wilderness trips in both summer and winter to mastering survival techniques and how to use a knife or axe safely, get ready for an immersive exploration into nature's classroom. This is Outdoors the Scandinavian way. Outdoors the Scandinavian way, using an axe. The axe is a vitally important tool for every outdoors enthusiast. Drawing on his own extensive knowledge and experience, Lars Fält will guide you through what you can use an axe for, how to safely use one, and how to care for it. You will learn, amongst other things, how to correctly sharpen an axe, how to replace an axe handle, the right way to chop and split wood, as well as some very clever practical lessons, such as how to make a canoe paddle.